Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to talk about COUNTA function. The COUNTA function is a statistical function in Excel. The COUNTA function allows you to count the numbers of cells that are not empty. But you can also count the numbers of value argument provided. Let's see how we can use COUNTA function in Excel. Here you can see you have 17 cell values in which we have error values, numeric value, empty text string, date, decimal values, date and time, text, space in cell, then we have blank cell, and then we have error values, then boolean, and then we have again error values. Now we have alphanumeric values and we have special character. So in cell F14 I'm going to write equal and then count. You can see here COUNTA function. If I select here, then you can see definition of COUNTA. It counts the numbers of cells in a range that are not empty. Now you should understand COUNTA function counts all the input inside a data range except the empty one. So here we have only one blank cell. So if I use COUNTA function, then result would be 16. So let's use this function, select it, and the parameter of COUNTA function is just like the count function. So here if I select count, then you can see it's showing value 1, value 2 is an optional, and if I select COUNTA function, then you can see the same values, value 1 and value 2, and value 2 is an optional. You can add up to 255 values or argument here by using comma. You can use data range or comma separated values. So simply I am going to select data range, and if I close parenthesis and press enter, then you can see result is 16. So that means it counted all the value in a range except blank one. So the main difference between count and COUNTA function is that in COUNTA function you can count cells that has number in it, and COUNTA function you can count any cell that has a value in it. If it's empty, then it's not counted. So that's all in this video. If you think this video is useful for you, then please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.